Hello everyone, let us continue loaders and linkers. So in this video I will explaining one of the features of machine dependent loader, that is program linking. What do you mean by program linking? Program linking is a process of linking different control section when they are loaded inside the memory. So in chapter 2 in assembler you have studied the control sections. Control sections refers to the segment of code that are translated into independent object program unit, and it is necessary to provide some means of linking control sections together. And in a control section you are using an external definition and external reference. For example, consider this program. So here in this program 3 control sections are there. So this is a first control section without name, so considered as a main control section. Then RDREC C section. Okay, so this is a name of control section. This is the second control section, and the third control section is WRREC. Okay, so 3 independent control sections. And within the control section, external definition and external reference, these are assembler directories are used. External definition means these are the variables that will be defined in this control section, and these variables are used in some other control section. For example, buffer, buffend and length. So these are defined in this control section that is used in RDREC. Okay, in RDREC buffers are used and buffend is used. Like you are it's like you're passing the parameter, no? In the same way it's used in some other control section. Then one more assembler directory is used here is external reference. External reference means that is defined in some other control section, but that is used in a current control section. For example, this is the first control section. Here RDREC and WRREC are used, but that is not defined. So that's what it's called as external reference. Similarly, the next RDREC control section also external reference, buffer, okay, length and buff, and these are defined in first control section, and that is used in RDREC. Okay, now the problem in external reference and external definition, this control section is so during assembling time, these variable, for example RDREC and WRREC, that is not defined here. So the address object code cannot be calculated. So what assembler does is, for example WRREC and RDREC, that is unknown for the assembler here when it will translate. So it will put just 0. Okay, so that will be resolved during load time. Okay, so how the assembler handles the control section. So what it does is assembler during writing the object program, during the generation of object program. Okay, so along with the header record, text record and end record. Okay, so these are the 2 new records, define record and refer record. Define record contains the external defined symbol. Refer record contain name of the external referred symbols. Then one more record is modification record. You have studied in program relocation also. Modification records are useful to solve program relocation. So here modification records are written for external reference symbols. The format is same. M stands for modification record, starting address, length of the modifying byte, that is in terms of half byte. Then modification flag, what you have to do, plus or minus. Then the external symbol whose value has to be added or subtracted from the indicated field. For example, okay, plus means you have to add, minus means you have to subtract, and 05 is that tells okay how many bytes you have to modify. So 05 means it's a 05 half byte. Okay, 5 into 4, 20 bits has to be modified. Okay, starting from 0004. So that is the information assembler gives for the loader. Okay, so this is things are discussed in chapter 3, continuation, program linking. So the goal of program linking is to resolve the problem with the external reference and external definition, okay, from the different control section. That's what. Okay, so during assembly time address is unknown. Okay, so assembler what it does, it will read the modification record. Now that will be resolved during program linking. Okay, for example, consider, so this is a program A control section, and external definitions are list A and end A, that is defined here, and list B, end B, list C and C, that is used in a program but that is not defined here, means that is defined in some other control section. For example, program B, so where end B and list B is defined. Then one more control section, program C, where list C and end C's are defined. That's what the first control section of program A. So these are external reference. Okay, now for example, consider, so the first label reference 1. Okay, reference 1 to reference 3, so these are the refers to the instruction, and reference 4 to reference 8, it is referred to the data. So the first instruction, reference 1, LDA list A. Okay, so list A is defined here, it's an external definition, so object code is calculated without any problem. So 03 is the opcode of LDA list A, so this belongs to format 3 and PC relative. So displacement will be calculated like target address minus content of PC, so this is a displacement. Then second instruction, reference 2 plus LDT list B plus 4. Now list B is a external reference, so that is not defined here, so for the assembler the address is unknown. Okay, so what it does is it put 0 value, that's it. Okay, list B address is 0, it will consider it as 0. So 77, it's a opcode. Then in this instruction, list B plus 4 is offsets are used, so 0 plus 4, so displacement it will consider as 4. Then third instruction, reference 3, LDX hash NDA minus list A. NDA, list A both are defined. Okay, so object code is generated. Then reference 4, word NDA list A list C. NDA list A is defined here, but list C is unknown. Okay, so it will assume this value as 0, and word is calculated as NDA is 0054 minus list A is 0040, that is 0014. Okay, as of now the value is word reference 4 value is 0014. Okay, similarly reference 5, reference 6 it will be considered. Okay, so same thing will happen here. Okay, the control sections are somewhat similar. Reference 1 plus LDA list A. Now here what happened is list A is not defined, it's an external reference, so the value is unknown, it will put 0. Okay, okay, so this is an object program for the first control section, program A. So header record, definition, refer record, text record. Okay, then modification record you have to write okay, for every instruction that makes use of external reference. Okay, for example, here the second instruction, reference 2, that uses external reference, so you have to write a modification record for this. And reference 3, no, reference 4, okay, it will use a reference external reference, so modification record you have to write. Similar reference 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you have to write a modification record. So if the okay, so for example reference 5, end C is okay, so sign is plus, and list C is sign is minus. Okay, so that is a flag used in a object program, in a modification record. So minus means okay, subtract, plus means add. Okay, so next thing is how it will be resolved. Okay, so how the loader resolve this problem. So loaders are designed in two passes, pass 1 and pass 2. So same as assembler, during the first pass it will scan the header record and the definition record. Okay, so header record, it will come to know what is the actual address. Sorry, this is not actual address. Okay, so this is a logical address, and this is a length. Okay, so during program relocation, this logical address has to convert to physical address. Okay, then it will scans the next record, definition record. So here it will come to know what are the symbols are defined in this control section. So here list C and end C are defined. So during first one, it will create the symbol table, same as assembler, but here symbol tables are referred as external symbol table. It contains the collection of these defined symbols. And during pass 2, okay, all the executable instructions and data has to be loaded into memory. So it will scans the text record. So in a text record, okay, if that address field is 0, means that variables are unknown. So it will refer the modification record for that. Okay, during this it will scan text record and modification record, and during pass 2 it will refer symbol table. Okay, so to substitute the values. Okay, for example, this control section, we are assuming loader sequential allocate the address for object program, and program A, the first control section is loaded to the address 400. Okay, so in a program you have mentioned 0, that is a logical address is you have mentioned. Okay, so now loader loads these control sections to 4000. So now program relocation has to be done. Okay, and length during scanning of header record, it will extract the length field. Okay, 63. Now we have assumed so object programs are allocated sequentially. So the next control section is starts from 4063. Okay, you have to add. Okay, that is a length 4063. The next one is length of the second control section is 7F. So the third control section starts from 40E2. Okay, now this is the symbol table, external symbol table, program A. So list A and end A are defined. It started with 4000 and length of the first control section is 63. Now list A and end A, so the address calculation will be done. Okay, refer the program A, list A is 0040. So this is a logical address what your programmers are defined, but actually the program is loaded instead of 0, it's loaded to 4000. So this location will be 4000 plus 40. Okay, so 400 plus 40 and 40, okay, 54. So this is a actual address, physical address of these two labels. Similarly, program B, okay, it started with the 4063 because length is 63. So in this list B and end B, so address will be calculated. The actual address, logical address to the physical address calculation will be done here. Program C also actual address will be entered. So now the external reference. Okay, so that is because of these symbols. Okay, it will refer this symbol table to resolve that. Okay, for example, I'll consider okay, one instruction, reference 4, end A minus list A plus list C, program A, control section, first control section, program A. Yeah, so program A, it loaded to 4000 and program B is loaded to 4063, program C is 40E2. Okay, now end A minus list A plus list C. So the object in object program, so this address field is 0014 because list C is unknown. Now list C is calculated. It will refer the symbol table. List C address is 4112. So now it will refer this, it will substitute there. Okay, how this 4112 is calculated is, so in a object program you have specified the logical address 30, but the program C starts with the physical address 40E2. So if you add these two, you will get the actual address of list C, 4112. Okay, now this is the address of list C. So in a program A object program, you will get okay, so this field is 14 because NDA and list A is defined there. So this is a value, current value. Now list C is substituted that time 0. Now it will substitute 4112 because you have to add plus 4. In a modification record, your flag you are specified as plus. So 4112 plus this 0014. So the address is 004126. Okay, so like this the reference symbols are substituted and that will be resolved. Okay, so similarly the one more example in a program B. Okay, so if you refer the reference 1 plus LDA list A 03100. Okay, so this is a modification record for that. So 0 because list A is a external reference. Okay, so the logical address what the programmers are specified is 0036, but the program is loaded to 4063. So that is the actual address, the starting address of program B control section. So if you add these 0036 with the starting address, you will get a actual address, physical address of this instruction. Okay, then now list A, it will refer during pass through, it will refer the symbol table. List A is 4040, so that will be substituted. Okay, so in this field it will be substituted 4040. Okay, that's it. So this is about program linking.